What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Charge It Up. For today's video, we're going to be installing the Shockwave Bluetooth sound system into the Atlas 2.0 Shuriken helmet. Let's go. Alright, so the first thing I did, right before I even started this video actually, I took the Shockwave audio system out and it's actually charging right now. Let's take out everything else that's left in the box. That will be the speakers and the microphone for answering calls. And then we've got our little tool that they give you. I mean, I don't need to use it. I'll probably use it anyway just because. Take the box and put this away. Okay, so before we start installing everything and taking all the cushions out to install the actual speakers and the microphone, I'm going to take off the visor. I don't want to be moving it around and scratching it up and stuff, so I'm going to take it off, put it aside, and then we'll continue from there. Okay, so I got the visor off. I'm actually going to take out the piece that's actually in the Shockwave, which is right here. It's got the two screws, which is why they give you the screwdriver. Let's go ahead and take that out. And then we will pull up the wire, which is right here. It's actually taped to the back of the helmet. It's taped to the actual other side there, so we can take that off, and that's the piece that's going to be going into the actual Shockwave piece, or into the actual Shockwave system. So I just wanted to unwind this. Let's set this on the table. And then let's go ahead and start taking out the cushions on the inside. And then we've got the actual shell of the helmet, as you see it like so. One thing I will show you guys is that helmet has Velcro pieces on the ear portions there and there, where you can actually attach the speakers to. And then we're gonna actually put the boom right over here. So this is where the mic will go right there. So what we've done is we've routed the cable in underneath and then pulled it up top. And now we're going to position our speakers and the actual mic piece. Take off the backing. Gonna hold on to it a tiny bit, and I'm gonna heat it up just a little bit. All right, now we got the backing on there, which is nice, and then we're just gonna put the mic right onto there, and then we'll take care of all the wiring afterwards. Okay, so just to show you guys what it looks like, there's the left side speaker, there's the right side speaker, and then the microphone is on the front. Now that that is done, let's take all the cushions and the insides and put everything back in. As I do that, I'll hide the cables in behind the cushions, and we're good to go. All right, so we got that done. We got our cushions back in. Before I go any further, I'm actually gonna put the helmet on just to make sure everything feels right. All right, now we got that. I'm gonna actually grab the Shockwave that's been charging. All right, so this is the wire that comes with the helmet. It's actually taped inside. That's plugged in or attached. Now we've got the speakers and the microphone plugged in as well. So then once you do that, get the cables out of the way, like so, and then just slide it right in the back. So as you can see, it's nicely done. There's screw number one, screw number two, and then it's got all the controls. I have heard some reviews about the Shockwave, about how the buttons are so small, especially with having gloves on, but I guess we'll see what happens. On and off buttons right here. So the power is on. Let's go ahead and pair this guy, and then we'll play some music off it. And then we'll put the visor back on. All right, so simple pairing. Just turn it on, it starts looking for your phone or your pairing device. I paired it, really simple, and then we've got music. So I got the Ringer by Eminem playing. Good. So we'll stop that for now. I'll put the visor back on, put the helmet on, and see how loud it is. Let's go ahead and put the visor on. Let's test it out. Grab my phone here. I think you guys can hear me, but I'll grab my phone and then let's play something. Now I'm gonna feel around and try to see if I can figure out what is what. So volume down, volume up, switching tracks back and forth or up and down. I think that's the max volume, so that's actually pretty good. So far so good, but we'll get the definitely better test obviously when we're riding. We get some wind noise and obviously with the exhaust and everything, and see how everything goes from there. Yeah. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. Just a quick install of the Shockwave Bluetooth sound system into the Atlas 2.0 Shockwave helmet. Hit that like button if you enjoyed this video, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell on future videos on the R6. Until next one guys.